Hello students, in biology botany, third lesson, chromosomal basis of inheritance. In eukaryotic cells, in this lesson, today we are going to see chromosomal theory of inheritance and linkage. Chromosomal theory of inheritance. In eukaryotic cells, worm-shaped structure formed during cell division are called chromosomes. An organism which possesses two complete basic set of chromosomes are known as diploid. A chromosome consists of long continuous coiled piece of DNA in which genes are arranged in linear order. Each gene has a definite position locus on a chromosome. History development of chromosome theory. Wilhelm Ross postulate chromosome of a cell are responsible for transferring heredity. Montgomery first suggests chromosome and maternal chromosome pair with parental chromosome only during meiosis. T. Boveri supported chromosomes responsible for developing the theory of inheritance. W. A. Sutton he recognized a parallelism between the behavior of chromosomes and Mendelian factors during gamete formation. Sutton and Boveri independently proposed the chromosome theory of inheritance. Salient features of the chromosomal theory of inheritance. Somatic cells of organisms are derived from the zygote by repeated cell division. These consist of two identical set of chromosomes. One set is received from female parent and other from male parent. These two chromosomes constitute the homologous pair. Chromosomes retain their structural uniqueness and individuality throughout the life cycle of an organism. Each chromosome carries specific determinants or Mendelian factor which are now termed as genes. The behavior of chromosome during the gamete formation, meiosis, provide evidence to the fact that genes or factor are located on chromosomes. Thomas Hunt Morgan support that chromosome theory of heredity through fruit fly Drosophila melanogaster, in which the allele for red or white eye color are present on the X chromosome but are not seen in Y chromosome, and also yellow body color and miniature wings are located or carried on the X chromosome only. The linked genes connected together on sex chromosome is called sex linkage. Comparison between gene and chromosome behavior. The total number of chromosomes is constant in all cells of a species. A diploid eukaryotic cell has two haploid sets of chromosomes, one set from each parent. Mendelian factor, chromosomal behavior, difference, comparison of chromosome and gene behavior. Allele of a factor occur in pair. Chromosome occur in pairs. Similar or dissimilar alleles of a factor separate during the gamete formation. The homologous chromosomes separate during meiosis. Mendelian factors can assort independently. The paired chromosome can separate independently during meiosis, but the linked genes in the same chromosome normally do not assort independently. Chromosome, the important aspects of the chromosome behavior. The allele of a genotype are found in the same locus of a homologous chromosome. In the S phase of meiotic interphase, each chromosome replicates forming two copies of each allele, one on each chromatid. The homologous chromosomes segregate in anaphase 1, thereby separating two different alleles. In anaphase 2 of meiosis, separation of sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes takes place. Therefore, each daughter cell gametes carry only a single allele of a character. Linkage. Linkage means genes to stay together during separation of chromosome is called a linkage. Genetic genes located close together on the same chromosome and inherit together are called linked genes. But the two genes that are sufficiently far apart on the same chromosome are called unlinked genes or synthetic genes. Such condition is known as synteny. If the recombination frequency value is more than 50%, the two genes show unlinked. When the recombination frequency value is less than 50%, they show linked. Coupling and repulsion theory. The two dominant alleles or recessive alleles occur in the same homologous chromosomes tend to inherit together into the same gamete are called coupling or cis configuration. If the dominant or recessive alleles are present on two different but homologous chromosomes, they inherit apart into different gametes are called repulsion or transconfiguration. Kinds of linkage. T.H. Morgan founds two types of linkage. They are complete linkage and incomplete linkage, depending upon the absence or presence of new combination of linked genes. Complete linkage. If the chance of separation of two linked genes are not possible, those genes always remain together. As a result, only parental and combinations are observed. The linked genes are located very close together on the same chromosomes, such as genes do not exhibit crossing over. This phenomenon is called complete linkage. It is rare but has been reported in male Drosophila by C.B. Bridges. Incomplete linkage. If two linked genes are sufficiently apart, the chances of their separation are possible. As a result, parental and non-parental combinations are observed. The linked genes exhibit some crossing over. This phenomenon is called the incomplete linkage. This was observed in maize. Linkage group. The groups of linear arranged linked genes on a chromosomes are called linkage group. Difference between linkage and crossing over. The genes present on chromosomes stay close together. In crossing over, it leads to separation of linked genes. In linkage, it involves same chromosome of homologous chromosome. In crossing over, it involves exchange of segment between non-sister chromatids of homologous chromosome. In linkage, it reduces new gene combinations. In crossing over, it increases variability by forming new gene combinations, lead to formation of new organisms. Up to this lesson I complete. Home test. 2 more questions. What is linkage? What is linked genes? What is synteny? 3 more questions. Define coupling, define repulsion, define complete linkage. 5 more question. Explain the salient features of the chromosomal theory of inheritance. I repeat it. 2 more question. What is linkage? What is linked genes? What is synteny? 3 more question. Define coupling, define repulsion, define complete linkage. 5 more question. Explain the salient feature of the chromosomal theory of inheritance. Thank you.